Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you've been here, welcome back. I really appreciate your presence. If you are just come across this channel now and today, please click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can see the next video when we upload. In this household, you guys, we're actually helping each other with home remedies, rituals to open our luck, rituals to bring back our lost lover, all kind of rituals. Just come to this channel and then you search whatever problem you have. A video with your solution is going to pop up, you guys. So today I'm going to show you how to bring back your lost lover using holy ashes only. Let's say someone stole. As we know, today people are stealing other people's people, so to say. Today ladies are stealing men from you. Today men are stealing ladies. We are taking each other's partners today. So to bring your partner back when someone stole them away from you, you don't need, if you don't have money to go to expensive sangoma, if you don't have money to buy expensive ingredients, come let me show you how to use holy ashes. Holy ashes is only 20 rand in South African multi shops, you guys. If you know someone who is struggling with the relationship, their partner left them without the reason for other people, please share this video to them so that they can also get help. The aim of this channel is to help each other. We don't want to see people crying. We don't want to see our family members suffering. We are family when we are in this channel, you guys. So you're going to go to the multi shop, ask for holy ashes. This is holy ashes. I must just get the new one. For those who don't know holy ashes, this is the holy ashes, you guys. Mine is almost finished because I'm using it. You're going to get a glass bottle with a cap. That bottle, it must be glass like a nip. The bottle that they are using to, most of the people are buying wines with it. I don't know if it's wines like Smirnoff bottle, some things like that. You can get that bottle. Make sure that bottle have a cap on. You're going to take that bottle, you add hot water inside that bottle. Remember, it's glass bottle, so if you add hot water, nothing will happen to that bottle. And you're going to put 2 spoons of holy ashes together with that hot water. You're going to add 2 spoons of holy ashes and then you close it. You can do it in the evening, then you close it, you put it aside. You set your alarm on your phone so that you can wake up in the midnight. You cannot just wake up. If you don't set the alarm, when you wake up it will be in the morning, and then it will be a waste. You have to start again with the new ingredients. So you close the water with holy ashes in that bottle and then you put it aside. In the midnight you wake up, you take that bottle, you open it, you go to your window or your door, depending which one is facing the sunrise direction. So you go to your window or your door, you face the sunrise direction, you shake your bottle while talking about you and the lover that you want them back. You're going to call their name, your names, and your partner's names. Your ex-lover, the lover that you want to call, you're going to speak about their name and your names several times. It must be the original name, the birth names, not the nicknames are not gonna work, you guys. If you're going to use The name that they just got from the street is not gonna work. If you are a Zulu, it must be the traditional Zulu name. If you are a vendor, it must be traditional vendor name. If you are a Pedi, it must be traditional Pedi name. Don't use the name that they just got on the street. It's not going to work. Shake your bottle. Remember, you are facing the sunrise direction. It depends on you whether you are on your door or you are on your window. While talking your intention and intentions about you and them, and calling their names several times. Like I said, it must be birth names. When you are done, you are going to open the cap of the bottle, add in your saliva in the bottle and close it. Continue talking. You guys, you are the one who wants this partner to come back to you. You know what you want from this partner. You know what you expect from them. You are going to shake the bottle facing the sunrise direction, speaking about everything that you need from them, speaking about each and everything you want them to come back to your life so that you guys can continue. You want them to leave the partner. If you know the partner's name, you can say it. If you don't know the partner's name, it's still fine. You don't need to say it. You just tell them they must leave everything and come back to you. You tell them you are the most important person in their lives. They must leave everything, whoever they are with, and come back to you. You're going to do this for 3 days in a row. For that 3 days, you're going to set alarm so that you can wake up in the middle of the night and then take your bottle, go to the door. You're only doing the mixture once, and then you wake up in the middle of the night, do the ritual, you close it, you put it in the safe place for the next day. Again, you close it, you put it in the safe place for the third day. Then on the third day, you can take the water, go to the four-way stop, take the bottle, go to the four-way stop, go. When you get at the four-way stop, you shake the bottle, speaking and doing everything. Speaking. When you are done, you just break that bottle in the middle of the road. Then you go back home. You don't speak to anyone on your way home. You don't look back on your way home. That is why you have to do this at night when you know you're not going to meet other people. If you meet them, you don't have to talk to them. You are minding your own business. You are fixing your life. Just let them be. You fix your life. You do your things. You let them be. You just pass them, go home. You don't have to look back. Go to the four-way stop. Stand there. Speak while you're shaking your bottle facing the sunrise direction. When you're satisfied, feeling you are done, you break that bottle there. Then you go straight back home without talking to anyone, without looking back. Let me love and leave you here, you guys. Until my next upload, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye for now, you guys.